This is an even match between Ernest Dimapilis and Tommy Dionis. To your right is Tommy. To your left, Ernest. Walang partida. They just had their lag to know who's gonna break first. Okay. So let's see. It's gonna be breaking. So Ernest will be the one to break. No handicap for either player. 10-ball race to 7 match, winners break format. WPA 9-ball international rules will be observed. No call shot required. And that break is brought to you by Navigator. Ball in hand. Scratch off the break for Ernest. Upper left corner for that too. Good tapped. 4 goes to the side. Wow. Not a bad angle to take that 5 to the upper left corner. Needs to clear the 10. Unfortunately, he got himself hooked. Unfortunately, he overran the ideal position. Seems like the 9 is in the way. Is he gonna make this cue ball swerve? He's jacking up. He missed it. But, take a look at this. It's Rendevera.
Knockout match. Parvin, Aurora, and Napi Pascual.
Our bossing, Rendevera. The pioneer of Abit Cup. Yeah. The one who... Season 4? Season 4 na yata. Oo. Oo. Add nyo lang si Rendevera. Kausapin nyo paano makasali sa Amit Cup. Sa lahat ng mga pool fanatics dyan na ladies. Kung gusto nyo i-test ang yung skills sa pabilyar through a major tournament like yung Amit Cup, laban lang. At malay nyo, nandun din kami ulit. Ito, malay nyo. Resignation, hindi retirement. Yung retirement, mandatory talaga. I would love to retire. Oh. Unfortunate scratch there off the jump for Tommy Dionis. Ball in hand. Ernest. Mukhang hindi pa niya masyadong natitimpla yung takbo ng tapete rito ah. Nine ball rattled in. Pocketing na lang. What do I usually say? The 9 wiped its feet dry and was able to find the gravity on Noel Zarate's mouth. Mo Nagmumug muna yung ano, yung butas. Ng Mumugi. Grabe ah. Alright, chance to get drawing first blood on this match. Tommy Diones. Tommy. Sa mga nanonood po sa atin dyan sa ating Facebook live stream, please do not forget to share the link of our live stream to your friends who are maybe fans of pool para mas malaki ang audience natin. Here at the commentary table is your fluffy May Kelvin Gomez Anyong, and with me is our technical director, Direk Eric Mendoza. Siguro naman yung iba sa atin nakakakilala sa atin dito. And we are bringing you day 3 of the JNP 10 Ball Cup. And pangilang match natin ito direct sa TV table. This is our 6th match dito sa TV table and marami pa to. Wala pa nag-qualify for the top 8. So stay tuned in. Bill Harold Maranan Salazar, happy viewing to you. Sabi niya, shoutout daw si Loli Pau Pau ng Mendez. Mendez? Mendez Cavite? Mendez na salon? Sapatos? Yun, shoutout daw kay Loli Pau Pau. And that break is brought to you by Navigator Japan. Again, a big thanks to our major sponsors. Mendez Cavite daw direct. Mendez Cavite. Alright, going back. Navigator Japan, A1 Texas Billiard Club, Puyat Sports. Also, supporting the JNP 10 Ball Club by sponsorship, Marboys, Mapa, Goldmade, 93.9 IFM, Mojitos Tequila. Parang kailangan natin tumamay direct ka. MLA Trading, HJL Athletics, Sunville, Remate, Business Mirror, 96.3 Easy Rock, Fully Tech, The Medyo Late Night Show with Jojo A, and RJTV. Parang baliktad na. Downer yun eh. Just to keep our energy up. Alak to, downer to eh. Hindi naman to caffeine eh. Uy. Lakas ng aircon pero pawis sa pawis ka. Oh, may pahabol si Bill Harold Maranan Salazar. Tsaka daw po ang G4 Billiard sa Mendez Cavite. Okay. Happy viewing sa mga naglalaro dyan sa G4 Billiards. Mendez Cavite. Kung naririnig nyo po yung nagsa-side comment dito na si Direk Eric Mendoza, pagpasensyahan nyo na po yung mga tito jokes. Sabi ko Direk G Ford. Hindi G-Force na si... yung galing si... Huwag niyo pong pansinin yung nandito naririnig yung sa background. Buti na lang talaga wala kang lapel. Dinig na dinig ka sa boom mic eh. Friendly bump on that 9 to clear out the shot for the 3, but I think it's... Ooh, it still went for the cut. And he ended up with a containment safety of some sort, marrying that cue ball to the bottom rail. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po, wala po kami top view footage. Wow, grabe yung tira na yun ha. He was cueing over the rail. Yeah. But who knows, maybe pag 9-ball cup naman, meron na kaming top view. Who knows? No guarantee, but who knows? Tapos, bukas nga pala kasama ko rito sa commentary table si The Great White Shark / Cuddly Sharky / Energizer Bunny Simon Cameron Dairit, or you know him as Cannon. Yan, the machine gun, the autocannon. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Please don't be shy sending your shout-outs, your messages through the live chat of our stream. Please do not forget to share the link of our live stream. Para sama-sama tayo rito. Napakaganda ng mga laban sa TV table. Kanina lang yung laban ni Charles at Diana at ni Mark Jill. Went through the wire. Grabe. Action-packed. A lot of pressure. Sobra-sobra. Ooh. Well, 7 and 9 serving as blockers. One rail kick using the upper right side rail. Heard that shot a bit. 6-10 combo. Ernest looking at it. Napanipis. But he didn't leave anything easy for Tommy Dionis. Another safety. But where's the cue ball going? Sumakabilang bulsa. Nalaglag sa butas ang cue ball. Ball in hand for Ernest D. Here we go. 7 to the upper right corner. Medyo napalakas yung tira. Pwede pala sa side. Okay, again, wala kaming top view, so pagpasensyahan nyo na po kami. Kung medyo madalas medyo trial and error ang aming analysis. JR Bunso, tirahin mo na, bro. Siguro sinasabing ito para kay Ernest. Galaxy. Naglalag tayo direct. Naglalag tayo. So it seems like it's now 1-all. Ernest D. He'll be breaking on rack number 3. Next one, rack 1 on. That break again is brought to you by Navigator Japan, one of the major sponsors of the JNP 10-ball cup. Ian over on Facebook, Ernest, di mapilis, wag mo palalagutokin. Lalim nun ah. Hindi ko maarok. Sadyang napakalalim ng iyong pananagalog. Okay, ewan ko, medyo malapit-lapit naman yung kasama ni Ernest dito. Narinig naman ako siguro. Huwag mo palalagutukin. Pakisabi na lang po kay Ernest. Alright. Happy viewing to you, Ian. Appreciate you tuning in. You can try to carom that ball near the pocket. Not really a safety. Safety battle ongoing here. Most likely direct. But then again, sometimes a different thing happen. May happen. Janina Dimapilis saying go Kuya Ernest. Happy viewing to you, Janina. Scratch. Pats Garcia Gong the third saying good luck to Ernest Dimapilis. Happy viewing to you as well, Pats. Mukhang lumalabas na rito yung mga fans ni Ernest ha. Tinawag niya yata yung buong barangay. O ito pa isa. Martin Dimapilis Gatpandan. Go Insan. Happy viewing to you, Martin. Iba yun. Wag yan. Baka may hindi maintindihan na joke lang yun. Jomel Marinduque, shoutout po, watching from Tagaytay. Go bro, go Kuya EJ. Good luck sa inyo ni Kuya Pao. Happy viewing, Jomel. Verhel Ricardo, happy viewing to you as well. Saying good luck to Ernest. Ayan na, dami nang nanonood. Because it's a Friday evening and it's gonna be, yeah. And usually rest day ng Saturday, Sundays. Ito na yung pinaka-gimmick night, get together. Yep. So mas marami silang time para makapanood. To all of those who are watching, thank you so much for tuning in. We truly appreciate your support for the JNP 10 Ball Cup. Sana bukas, wala rin lang naman kayong ginagawa. Starting around 1 or 1:30 p.m., maglalaban-laban na yung mga top 8. Hindi pa, may Class O pa ba? Class O pa yata, no? Class O or S? Sa Sunday, lahat ng top 8 qualifiers. Lahat ng nag-qualify sa top 8. Yep. Pedro Suplito saying, go pre, kay Ernest. Mali yung tono. Go pre. Yan, happy viewing, Mr. Suplito. As well as to Fabian Sawyer. Hello to you. Happy viewing. Kayod from... Iba yun. Ibang chicken yun. Kyle Danyo Seduk. Teka, dami naman nitong fans nito. Content creator pa to. Sandali nga. Parang isang barangay yata yung Grabe, ang dami. Kyle Danyo Sedukon. Happy viewing. As well as to Fabian Sawyer. Kayod from G-Force Billiards. Yung mga tito jokes mo, Derek, ha? Distributor ng... Mark Mendoza, wag mo galingan, Tommy. Maiba lang. Oo nga naman, para maiba lang. Ooh, almost getting that bang for that 8. And it seems like he sold it out. Yata. Mark Mendoza, si Big Mac ba to? Is that you, Mark? Big Mac? Parang ikaw ba to? Joshua Ro Marciaga. Also rooting for Ernest. And this for rack number 2. Ernest D. 10 ball down. Vlogger sa school. Kaya naman pala. Sir Ernest. Kaya naman pala ang dami. Sabi ko sa'yo, mali na naman ako ng karir na kinuha eh. Yung isang sikat ho dini sa amin dini yan si EJ. Batangas ba to? Mendes Cavite, malapit sa Batangas oh. Hindi, pero dini eh. Ayan na, wala. Malalim nga Tagalog. Ayan na. Josel Adrian Leiran. Happy viewing to you. Grabe naman. Dami ng followers. Yung iba kumakain pa lang yan ha. Nagdi-dinner pa lang. Oo. All out support. Now he went for a push. Okay, Tommy Diones. Lloyd Andre Diola. Naku po, hindi ko po pwedeng basahin yan. Wag po ganyan. Baka ma-optical media board tayo. Okay, happy viewing to you. Princess Kia Domanais. Ernest, sana sa kanya mo na sabihin yan diretso, okay? Jan April Romera, Tito Borge, Auri Albento. Happy viewing to both of you. Mukhang ano to parang nasa level yata to ng mga Enrique Hill, mga Daniel Padilla. Ang dami grabe. Hindi, yung level ng kapugian lang. Grabe naman to. Yung level. Ayan tuloy, tinan mo, na-conscious si ate. Oh. Ayun, kaibigan po namin si Ernest, pa-shoutout po. Big shoutout to you, Erica de la Cruz. Pedro Suplito, happy viewing once more. 6 and 7, opposite bottom corners. Siya yun eh. Nag-enjoy lang po tayo at it's been a long day. Yan.
Quality billiard games.
Yon. Jan April Romera, lupit mo Ernest. Meron pang convincing. Tested na pang matagalan. Teka, parang maling tanong yan. Nice. For his third rack. Again, 10 ball towards the upper right corner. Ten ball down. 3 racks to 1. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. At sana pagtapos na yung laban ni Ernest, nandiyan pa rin kayo ha. Huwag nyo kami bigla-biglang iiwan. Wag na si Ernest ang support nyo. Pati yung JNP 10 Ball Cup, support na natin. Yan. Kwentuhan din tayo sa live chat. Kung may gusto kayong itanong sa akin, this is your Fluffy Mick, Kelvin Gomez Nanyong. Wag lang personal na mga tanong. About pool. Yan. About pool. Wag yung mga relationship questions. Ako po, wala po akong may tutulong. Yan. Mahirap kasi magbigay ng advice. Oh. Yan eh. It can be taken both ways eh. Yan. Alright, Ernest to break. And that is brought to us by Navigator Japan, and it's a dry one. Well, again, this JNP 10 Ball Cup will not be possible without the support and the sponsorship of Navigator Japan, A1 Texas Billiard Club, Puyat Sports, Marboys, Mapa, Goldmade, 93.9 IFM, Mojitos Tequila, MLA Trading, HJL Athletics, Sunville, Remate, Business Mirror, 96.3 Easy Rock, Fully Tech, The Major Late Night Show with Jojo A, and RJTV. Jomel Marinduque asking, Sir, ano iuwi ng champion? The overall winner sa lahat ng classes, across all classes, will fly to Japan in an all-expense paid trip sponsored by Navigator Japan to compete in the 2024 Japan Open Tournament. And that's with a 50,000 yen pocket money. Aside from, if I'm not mistaken, may cash prize pa in pesos. May cash prize pa in pesos. Yan pa. 50,000 in yen. Di, wala. Yen to eh. Yen. Yen to peso. 18,800, 18,900. Let's say. Yan. Yan yung katumbas ng 50,000 yen. Not bad. Yep. Tumira-tira ka lang.
You'll have a chance to visit Japan.
Oo. Sa 2024 Japan Open Tournament. Bakit kasi hindi ako sumali?
May magandang puntahan din sa Japan. Yung sa may Sapporo.
Sapporo, saan doon? Yung pagka-winter?
Meron din yung pupuntahan na doon, parang may mga patay doon.
Yun yung ano, Forbidden Trail eh. Jomel Marinduque, handicapping ba yan, sir, or by class? By class siya. So, kung class A ka, may A-, A flat, and A+. Depende pa rin sa ranking. So, depende sa ranking mo within that class, may handicap. Pero dito kasi, walang bola na handicap. Either, ano lang, +1 rack win lang. JV Dizon Ramos, shout out kay Ernest Di Mapisil. Oh, dami talaga. Di ba di mapilis? Ba't di mapisil? Di mapisil daw. Oh, di, ito daw, hindi ka daw mapisil eh. Sabi ni JV Dizon Ramos. Nagkamali, typo. Yan. Ayan, oh, tinawanan ka. Di mapisil. Mapapahamak tayo rito.
Tayo nag-enjoy lang tayo sa medyo mahaba na araw.
Ganun talaga. For the love of the game. Basta ito, ang total amount of prizes is approximately 400,000 pesos. Overall yan. Grabe. Para naging comedy bar pa to. Hindi mo pisilin. Okay, going back to the match. Went for the cut. Uy, medyo napanipis. But still able to get the distance between the cue ball and the green 6. Pwedeng inipisan to, kaya safety na lang. Kinuha sa nipis. Naku po, nabitin. Naku po. Okay na sana yung prepare para sa 7. Kaso na nabiting yung takbo ng 6. Yumalog pa yung 6. Where's the cue ball going? Naku po, naku po. Not where the ideal position is. Oh, that's a nasty safety by Tommy D. Marrying the cue ball behind the 8. We would like to say goodbye to the architect, Eric Salud. Tapos na ang kanyang journey for this day. Dito sa ating JNP 10 Ball Cup. Martin Di Mapilis Pandan, shoutout daw sa dating PS Hotel Management. Tama ba? Hotel Management 3-6. O yung mga dati daw mahilig mag-cutting klase. Mga PS Hotel Management 3-6. Shoutout daw. Third year, section 6, parang ganun. Yung block nila siguro. Nako pots. Okay lang na medyo may konting bulakbol basta nag-aaral ka pa rin ng konti. Jomel Marinduque saying good luck to all players mga idol. Good luck mga bro Ernest, Di Mapilis, John Paulo. Iuwi nyo na din sa atin ng champion. God bless po sa inyo and more power. Thank you so much, Jomel. Lloyd Andre Diola pa shoutout daw kay Kyle Danyo Seducon. Hindi.
Nabasa ko na, hindi ko na natinigil.
Lloyd, ikaw na lang magsabi sa akin ng diretso. Ito na, last ball na. Going for the kill on this rack. Ten ball down, 4 racks to 1. 3 rack lead by Ernest. Lyle Cosare. Shoutout sa tropa kong mahilig mag-cutting. Patay. Nabuking na. Si Ernesto mahilig mag-cutting. Wag puro baba. Lako po. Ayoko basahin to. Kaya ayoko magbasa ng mga ng mga ng chat minsan eh. 4 racks to 3. Still in the lead is Ernest. Race to 7. Yep. Thon Alvarez pa shoutout. Tropa ko. Solid fan ni Ernest. Si Jesper Alcantara. Okay. Not related to... Sino? Iba yun. Dahil kunin mo na nga isang lapel. Ayun na. Lang yun. Okay, rack number 8. Tommy D to break. And this is brought to you by Navigator Japan. Richie Carlos, kayang-kaya mo yan. Tommy Diones, happy viewing to you, Richie. Pats Garcia, Panay Kalog, sayang pero bawi na lang. Still rooting for Ernest. Oo.
Pero syempre meron din sumusuporta kay Tommy.
Oh, may mga nagbibigay pa rin ng suporta para kay Tommy. Thank you.
Carlos, thank you.
Tommy D wanting to tie it up. Able to clear the 7. 4 goes to the upper right corner. Lyle Cosare, pag nanalo ka dyan, papakilala na kita Naku, kaya ayokong basa. Pa-direct message na lang siya, ha? Huwag na dito. Mahirap tayo dyan. Ooh, fell short. Thank you for watching pa rin. 7 goes to the lower left corner. He would have wanted a much straighter shot on this 7. Tommy D just waiting for the player on the other table to finish taking a shot. Richie Carlos, go, go, go. Team Matabungkay, Tommy Diones. No problem for that 7. 8 ball, lower left corner. Biglang nag-init ang mga kamay ni Tommy Diones. Pinabanda sa ilalim. Biglang lalagpas. Lumagpas ang cue ball sa ideal position. Nako po. Eto na. No problem. And we have a tie, balon-balunan, isaw, lapay, lahat na. Lahat na ng laman loob. Liver lover. For all. Again, thank you so much for all that are tuned in to our live stream for day 3 of the JNP 10 Ball Cup. Sana bukas din, ha. Balik kayo rito, day 4. Class O na yun. Ako, sobra. Sobrang taas ng rank na yun. That break by Tommy Diones on rack number 9. Brought to you by Navigator Japan. Jerwin Rosano, ang pogi mo pala pag sa live. Pagsabi na rin ng diretso na lang kay Ernest yan, ha? Sinshan, anong race to? Race to 7. So, since tied tayo sa race to... tied na tayo at 4 all... Parang race to 3 na lang to. Tommy Diones gets to stay on the table. Was able to make a ball off the break. And he ended up leaving this nasty safety to Ernest Di Mapilis. Richie Carlos saying Team Boston is also supporting Tommy Diones. All out for Tommy. Apo ni Felipe Amulong. I had my suspicion. Happy viewing to 1010. Shout out po sa Bulldog ng Alfonso. Jerwin Rosano. Alfonso na long neck. Jesper Alcantara Roma, pa-shoutout daw kay Ton Alvarez. Grabe, dami, ha. Alright. One real kick. Where's the Bluetooth going? Mukhang papasok pa. Naku, pumasok nga. Kaso, nakadikit naman yung cue ball sa 3. Oh, ayun na. Na-scratch na si Tommy. Alfonso Cavite. Kala ko yung ano, long neck. Joshua Romarciaga. Shot na daw yan pag-uwi. Aba? Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Pwede. And there you go. 3-10 combo. Laki kubo. Muntik pa. Diyos mio, Marimar. Diyos mio, Marimar. Taking back the lead is Ernest. 5-4. And we are now on rack number 10. Ernest to break. Again, this is a race to 7. 10 ball winners break format. Pero we're just following WPA 9 ball international rules. A golden break, no call shot required. And Jeremy Rosano, pa-shoutout daw kay Jomel Marinduque ng The Volcano ng Tagaytay. Ang dami na sinishare na pangalan nitong JV Dizon ah. And that break is brought to you by Navigator Japan. Madam, kilala niyo po ba itong JV Dizon? Ang dami nang sinishare na pangalan eh. Pakiusap mo na lang, kausapin mo na lang personal. Eto na. 2-10 combo coming up. Here we go. Unfortunately, didn't materialize. Medyo na madali yun ah. Wow, what a shot. Swabbing swabe. Wiped its feet dry before finding gravity. Is that red 3? 4 to the upper left corner. Uy, nabol na yung 10. Wala po tayong shot clock. Wala po tayong shot clock. Pero, of course, bilang respeto na rin dun sa kalaban mo and to avoid getting the feedback na para ka nagsha-sharking, huwag mo naman tagalan yung bago ka tumira. Yun. Respect na rin. Etiquettes. Kumbaga. Okay. Iba yun. Nalaylay yung 5 sa butas. Medyo mabilisan yung laro ng dalawang to. Upper left corner. Forward motion. Ay, naku po. Nabitin. Naku po. Ayan na. Would this be another Hill battle direct? There's a possibility pa rin eh, no?
Paul Guevara and Andre Balana. Handicap ni Paul +1 win. Saan si Paul?
Lahat pwedeng mangyari. Sobrang mahiwaga talaga ang bilyar. A couple of misses here by both players. Ooh, again. Falling drunk. Doon sa lower right corner was the brown 7. Sila rin yan. Sila rin.
Ano lang to yung parang weekly.
Sila Luis. Sila Luis naman.
Yung weekly nila.
Oo. Si Badsil, oh. So put some top spin on that cue ball. Take the 8 to the upper right corner. It's a little too strong. Masyadong madiin. JV Dizon, wala. Wala. Gambling is not allowed to, you know, it's a tournament. It's a tournament. So gambling is not allowed. Tried to cut the 9 towards upper right corner. Mintis at naku po na benta. Mahaba pa to, folks. May pagkakataon pa na either of these players bumalik dito sa TV table para maglaro kung sakasakali. Yung last match nila ay qualifier na para sa top 8. Good draw. This to tie it up. Tommy D. Here we go. With emphasis on that 10. And now we're tied again at 5. Tito Borge Aurel Bento saying, pagkakabilis mo naman tumira eh. Ano kaya nagmamadali ka? Ang sarap pakinggan nung ano no, nung pat-pat nung sa Batangas. Yung mga local dial nila. I'm not sure kung meron pang chance yung matatalo rito. Ernest. Pag natalo ba rito, wala na. Okay, so knockout na pala to. So, yan na. All out support nyo na. Damay nyo na yung kabilang barangay. And that break is brought to us by Navigator Japan. Rack number 11. 8 ball went down. Open shot on the yellow one. A little bit difficult, but he can draw that cue ball a few feet back. Take the 2 to the opposite bottom corner. That's what he did. Wow. Talk about a power draw. Well, he would have wanted that cue ball to bounce further. Yes, John Paolo, race to 7. Yes, Jomel, alam nila. At chine-check din nila yung ano, yung kasama niya yung ano, yung live chat. Blue 2, upper left. Muntik pang miscratch. Okay. Good view of that red 3. Lower right corner. Pwede naman siya mag-top right spin. And then try to see if we can force the cue ball to bounce off the lower right side rail. The half part of the bottom rail, and get that cue ball at the middle of the table and take the 4 to the side. Kasi parang wala akong makita talagang ibang option dito. The 4 cannot go to the upper right corner. Either bottom corners ang talaga available or your side. Well, the most comfortable would be the right side pocket. Doon dadaling yung 4. So, let's see. Anong gagawin niya rito? There you go. Top right spin. Force the bounce. That's nicely done. That would do. Draw that cue ball further back. Naku po, medyo malakas. Tama lang. Okay. Push the cue ball forward. Simple tap. Yan. It needs to have an angle. Mukhang diretso. Hindi, may konting angulo pa rin. May konting angulo. Nakaangat yung 6. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po yung mga dumaan na shinobi ng mga bata. Yung pagtakbo nila kasi kanina direct sa harap ng camera eh. Parang shinobi ng ano eh. Hidden Leaf Village ng Konoha. 9 ball and 10 ball opposite top corners. Top spin lang. Pinaikot pa. Grabe naman. Talagang gusto diretsong tira. And there you have it. He's now on the hill. Ernest Timapilis. Wanted to make up a stronghold on this match. Sa lahat po ng nanonood na sumusuporta kay Ernest, kapit lang. At yung kay Tommy, kapit din. Pantay-pantay tayo rito. Wala po tayong kinikilingan, walang walang kinikilingan, walang personalan. Perwisyong totoo lamang. Alright, here we go. Rack number 12. That break is brought to us by Navigator Japan. As Direk Eric was asking a while ago, the question would be, will this be the final rack? Or would Tommy Dionis force a clincher? Kanina, hill-hill battle yung sinundan nito na match na to. Ton Alvarez, Ernest, golden break mo naman yan. Naku po, hindi nangyari eh. Nakapag-break na eh. Manonood kami hanggang umaga. Naku po, Diyos ko, wag naman po.
Parang sabay isang...
Parang alam na to Naku po. Anong K-drama ba yung pinapanood nyo? Wag naman hanggang umaga. Papatayin na ako ng asawa ko. Oo, kailangan namin umuwi. Good hit. Nako po, natago sa likod ng G's. Ito, mahirap tong kick na to Walang... Okay, good hit. At mukhang nabenta sa side yung uno. Oh, he took it to the upper left corner. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pala available yung side. Masyadong singkit yung angle. Maalog pa. Naku po, wag naman po. Mukhang kita naman. May interview ba, sir, after the match? Aba, kung i-request nyo ba, bakit hindi? Gusto nyo ba sa camera rin? Kasi pag nagsama kami nung winner ng match na to, hindi siya makikita. Ako lang makikita sa frame. Well, let's see if we can grant your request. For the fans daw. Okay. Pagbibigyan namin kayo. Magkano? Para sa inyo. Magkano? Nako po, malakas yan. Nako po, malakas yan. Pwede pa naman pinahan, pero would this be using an inside spin? Masyadong maliit yung angulo. Kahit outside spin, di kakayanin yata nito. Pero let's see.
Okay, next match at table 2. June
Safety. Wise decision of Ernest to go for the safety there. Not forcing the issue. Yep. All right. Uy, buti tumama pa. Nakalawit ng konting 7 pero teka. Napahirapan pa ng konti. Cue ball near the bottom rail. Pocketing na lang to. Medyo manipis. Eto na, Tommy Dionis. What's he gonna do here? He needs to win this rack to force a clincher, to force a hill-hill battle. Is he gonna go for the kill? Safety? Mag-interview? Any message for your fans? Ayoko ng ganit. Pasasampal ako eh.
Ano yan? Hindi siya gagawin ba? Pakilala yung mga tapo.
Mag-asawa sa palabuting ko dyan. Sa tanong na ganyan.
Disclaimer ka muna ba?
Laro-laro lang. What a bank! At kahit alas 10 na ng gabi, seems like the banks are still open for Ernest Di Mapilis. Here we go. 9 ball lower left. Draw that cue ball. Then take the 10 to the side. Well, okay, let's go. Ernest Timapilis wins the match. 7 racks to 5. Ayan na, nanalo na. Oh. Ano, intervene ko talaga? Grabe naman, oh. Dali lang, di pa ako nakakapag-foundation, eh. Oh, dahil request ng mga fans mo, Ernest, halika rito. Halika rito. Halika rito. Oh, guys. Oh, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung hindi kami kasya sa frame. Oh, Ernest, ano masasabi mo sa fans mo?
Ayun, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood at sumusuporta sa akin.
Ayun, oh, anong pakiramdam?
Masaya po. Experience. First time dito. First time. First time po.
Aba, tikalain mo. Oh, may isa pang laban. Good luck, ha, para sa top 8. Okay, ano pa? Sino mo yung babatingin ka ba?
Shoutout sa aking pamilya. Sa dito ko, tsaka sa mama ko po. Tsaka sa aking ama kapatid.
Nahihiya. O, yan. Thank you ulit. Congratulations. Alright, so that concludes that match. Paghihintay tayo ulit ng next match natin dito sa TV table. Again, this is your Fluffy May Kelvin Gomez and Young. We'll be right back, folks. Don't go away.